Hey there folks, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the new Fusion Splicer cleaning kit, part number TK285. Are you tired of dealing with dust, debris, and pesky silica deposits affecting your Fusion Splicer's performance? Well, worry no more. Fusion Splicers are precision instruments, and keeping them clean is essential for optimal performance. But cleaning them properly can be a challenge. Specially designed to tackle the delicate components of Fusion Splicers, this kit is a game changer for maintenance and your peace of mind. Here's what's included. V-groove cleaning brush, one side metal and one side nylon. Dry wipes that come in a pack of 90 lint-free polyester wipes. Quick drying non-flammable cleaning fluid. Solis ultra bright Jobsite LED headlamp. Fiber optic Eyeloop. Cotton swabs. And a rugged carrying case. Say goodbye to frustrating residue and hello to pristine Fusion splicing experience. With the TK285 Fusion Splicer Cleaning Kit, you'll not only prolong the life of your equipment, but also ensure consistently high quality splices. Whether you're seasoned tech or new to splicing, Jonard Tools TK285 is a must-have for your toolkit. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.